But there's a big update in the hearing that was taking place. The PIL was filed on the GST on air purifiers. We're given to understand that the Delhi High Court has issued a notice, directions to GST Council, asking them to consider lowering or removing the GST. In the earlier hearing, the High Court had said that every citizen has a right to clean air. The High Court also said that this is the minimum which can be done. Dipankar is getting us more details. Yes, Dipankar.
Well, today the Delhi High Court has issued notice on the petition that was filed seeking to bring down the GST that is applied on the air purifiers from 18% to 5%, and the court has also directed the GST Council to convene as soon as possible in order to bring these changes in and to decide as to what further steps can be taken. Remember, earlier in the day during the hearing, it was the court had expressed its displeasure with the steps that are being taken, and it has said that every person has a right to clean air, and considering the degrading air pollution, the degrading air quality in the Delhi NCR region, these directions have been passed, and the matter has now been listed on the 26th of December, when the Council for the central government has to tell the court as to what is the update on the GST Council, when are they convening and what are they going to do about this. We have with us the petitioner in person, Advocate Kapil Madan, who has filed this petition, and let us have a word with him and know as to what has been happening in the court and what further the directions have come in from the court. Sir, this matter was taken up, and the court has also said that prima facie they feel as to why this cannot be done, why this GST cannot be reduced. Right. What was the entire thing that had happened in the court? What were your arguments and what were the directions that were passed?
See, the major premise of our petition is that we are saying that air purifier qualifies as a medical device, and to say that we are using a notification, we are relying on a notification, and that's the premise of the petition. So during the first half of the hearing, the court was also, took a very strong view considering the, prevalent pollution crisis in Delhi, and therefore the court in the first half itself directed the council for the other side to seek instructions from the respective institutes and to inform the court what is their stand. So when the matter was heard during the second half of the day, the other side came and they showed one report wherein the GST Council itself is considering either removing the GST or reducing the slabs on air purifiers on GST. So the court took a note of that, and the court have also said that GST body should take a decision on this ASAP, and the court have also mentioned about our notification that we are relying on, and accordingly considering the seriousness of the issue, the matter is now fixed after 2 days on 26th of December.
So we will now have to wait and watch as to what happens on the 26th of December and as to what directions further are passed by the Delhi High Court in this entire case, and what the GST Council does after the court has also said that it has a prima facie view that the slabs on the air purifiers and the HEPA filters that are used in those air purifiers.
Let's see what happens in the next hearing. Thank you, Dipankar, for getting us the reaction and the details. Quick break for that.